So hello everyone, another walkabout with my ma. We're in Stanley Park, and yeah, let's go take a look to see what we see, shall we? Okay. Now let's watch my ma fall down. All the traffic. The hub. Vancouver over there. That sulfur pile way over on the other side of the water. A big yellow mountain of sulfur. Lighthouse right in front of us. All running away. Every now and again we get some orca walking in. Their idea of walking. They come in on this area and turn around and go, "Oh, we don't want to be here," and take off. That's North Van on the over across there. We got cypress and grouse. And then we have Seymour over there. Lionsgate Bridge, if you can take a look over there, you see Lionsgate Bridge in the distance there. My mom, run away. I just lost my mom. Let's go get her. Windy. All that tree area on this side over here, that's still Stanley Park. If you subscribe and hit like, we might head down over there and take a look at what those statues are over there. So make sure you like and subscribe to see all that. I think she's done. All right, guys, that's the one of the points off of Stanley Park. Hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, subscribe to see some more. I think we're gonna go take a look at some other things, so make sure you stick around for that. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon.